Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Shaney Boy here. We are at the Gordon Bubolz Nature Preserve. I think that's what it's called. In Wisconsin. We are at the Turtle Pond dock currently. I think the geese are anticipating some food, but we have nothing to give them. Currently taking one of the trails. I think we're going to try to find another pond. Came around the corner of Turtle Pond. That's where we were before, over there. And now we're over here.
Keep coming towards us. Beehive.
The geese are definitely
following
us.
We were on the Turtle Pond dock, and there were.
Yeah, that's definitely a beehive.
Yep, those are bees. Let's just pass straight by it. We don't want the bees getting suspicious.
That's possible. I've never seen a beehive before. Turtle Pond teaching station. Full of path trail.
Alright.
Very beautiful. Definitely a lot of greenery. A lot of mosquitoes too. That's one thing we are having to deal with. But it's still a lot of fun. I think we're all enjoying it.
You're gonna die, buddy. I think that's an adolescent bigger one. Tiny toe. Tiny. Oh, forward. Now I feel we need to sing Russian music.
You really have to be careful and watch your step because there are many tiny frogs crossing the trail. We don't want to step on them.
I want to go back here to revisit tiny toads. What tiny toads they live with like mosquitoes out here? That must suck. Do you agree? What in the green? Here's that frogs.
It's very pretty here. Very pretty. I love that they built this for the bees. It's a beautiful bee house for the bees. We're almost at the end of the trail. Had a lot of fun. So if you get a chance, be sure get outside and check out a little nature. Alright. That probably about does it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to come back soon. We'll see you later. Bye.